Okay guys, so I'm going to show you our little solar system. So here we have the grow watt, it's an inverter, and right now it is at 27.7 uh, voltage. It's going to 8. Well, it's blinking between 7 and 8. It's going all over the place. Anyway, so it is fully charged at 28.2. Sometimes it goes to 3, but it is fully charged at 28.2. So it's almost charged, guys. Here we have the batteries. Yes, and these batteries are 24 volt. I still need to dust these parts. I'm scared we'll come onto wires, even though this can't do me anything. Yeah, but yeah, I'm a woman, so it's just kind of scary. So if we're using the JPS, this wire, this thing here, would have turned off the inverter. The switch is um under here. Yeah, would have turned off the inverter and disconnect from the JPS box over there and plug this in this to go to the JPS. This one is for the inverter. These two things here, they protect the inverter. I don't remember what they call it, if it's surge or something, I don't remember. But they protect the inverter just in case there are heavy lightning or lightning flashing or all that. I can just disconnect like this. I pull it down. I don't want to pull down because it's gonna stop the charge. Pull it down, pull them down, both of them down, and then the panel, it would disconnect the charge like that. This wouldn't be charging. This wouldn't be going out, and therefore lightning wouldn't be able to damage it like it did the last one that we had, or the first one that we had. Yeah, so it's a little system. So we are not on the JPS. We are off grid. Yes, we're not on the grid. We're off grid. Yep. So guys, just in case you're interested in going um, solar, it's a very good idea. As long as you have the right inverter, the right batteries. These are what we had first. Let me show you. We had these batteries first, but these batteries are more dangerous than the other one over there. These batteries are fully charged though, but these over here, they are so much better and all of that. So as long as you have the right um, inverter, the right battery, and the right panels on the roof, you're good to go. One day I'm gonna ask Junior to show you the panels on the roof, so you know which panel will be best for the inverter. All right, guys, stay tuned.